how to increase battery life on Samsung phone. So the first thing to do is get to your settings, and then from your settings scroll down, then tap on display. So after doing that, here if you scroll down a bit, you can see the option of screen timeout. Tap on it and make sure that you have selected 15 seconds just like this. This will help you out a lot in saving your battery. After doing that, you can now go back, get to the main settings, and then from here under the display, you can see battery. Tap on it, and in here you can see power saving mode. So you have to remember that you should only use power saving mode if there is the high requirement of it. Do not try to use power saving mode every other day. So in here we also have the option of battery protection. Simply tap on this toggle button and make sure that it is turned on. So if you simply tap on this basic option right here, you can now scroll down from here and choose maximum just like this. And in here, you can also select the option of when to stop charging your phone. Here we have the 80%, 85%, 90%, and up to 95%. I recommend you guys select 80% just like that. You can select according to your battery health. Like if you want the basic one, you can select it. Or if your battery is very old, you can now select maximum just like this and simply turn on your battery protection. And like that, your battery's lifespan will be increased on your Samsung phone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.